A few days ago, I accidentally cut a live 220 or 240 volts AC line that happened to not have a fuse or a breaker on it, and so it pretty much killed my friend's industrial heavy-duty cable cutters. This is Greenlee cable cutters. These seem really nice. And to make things worse, this pair of cutters was his father's, and his father was an electrician and whatnot. What we're going to do is we're going to detach this, and we're going to weld back the metal and then grind away the stuff that we don't want on there, and then we can sharpen it, and we can temper it using a blowtorch and some water. And I think that should probably be good enough, because this is only ever used for cutting copper. Now, one nice thing is that one whole side, it really came out unscathed. There's a little bit of a little roughness there, but I can file that away and make that nice and sharp again. And since this is pretty much still nice, whereas, well, except for that little bit there, but that doesn't actually hinder the cutting ability, so we can leave that. Then I can actually use this to make sure that this is an exact copy of that. It definitely did spark for a long time. It took us 90 minutes to find the way to shut it off, and the way to shut it off was just to disconnect it while it was live. It's pretty sad wiring. I'm going to set my welder to 25 amps. I'm going to be using some thin rods. I think I need to weld just a little bit more onto there. Yeah. I just didn't put enough metal on the inside. So here's how it looks now. That looks better. A lot better, actually. A whole lot better. Okay, I see what the problem is now. You see a little bit of light coming through there. That means that both sides are not meshing up properly. This side, I need to bring that in, and I need to bring the other side in too. I forgot about that. So I can use that. I can do that with a hammer, I think. I think that's good enough. Oh, it's loosening up, that's why. Oh, perfect. Looks like we have it dialed in nice. Just gotta make sure that's all tightened down really well. And just in case there's some harder metals in here, let's go ahead and try and harden this piece that we just welded. It got to a little bit red, so I mean, usually you have to get it really bright red, but I think it's probably as good as I can do tonight. Plus, this thing is going to be cutting copper most of the time, so I don't think it's going to be too much of an issue. Now we can clean this up and put it back together. Now, as the last step, I'm going to take some engine oil. I'm going to rub it all over this, just to help make sure rust doesn't come back anytime soon. Oh, that is perfect. Feels like this is going to probably be very useful in the future. Oh, darn it. I had the brightness setting too low. Oh, well. Well, that's pretty much it. I'm really happy with this, and I will definitely give it back to my friend, and I will not keep it for myself, as I would want to do. But, oh well. If I ever find one like that, I'll definitely pick one up, because that looks very nice, and it's very fun to use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.